What's up, guys? Welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Hypnotic Lady, and I am back with another tutorial. Today I will be showing you guys how to get this glueless install, and when I say glueless, I mean glueless. I'm going to show you guys with my red tail comb right here. You see this? Do you see that? Glueless. Now it's gone. Keep watching, tell me what you guys think, and I'll see you later. Mwah.
Alright guys, this is the no bald cap method. As you can see, the company I will be working with is DorHair. This is their 20-inch water wave 360 lace front wig, and I sewed in the elastic band. It does come with adjustable straps in the back. This is a 13 by 4 parting space, but it is a 360 frontal, so there is lace around here. I'm just showing you guys all the parting spaces you can do. You can do deep side parts or middle parts. To cut off the excess lace, I'm going to go in with a pair of scissors and a razor comb. I started off with my razor comb and then it kind of got dull halfway through, so I just finished with my scissors. You can use whichever one you prefer. I personally like using a razor comb more than scissors, just so you don't have a distinctive line, but you know, we're gonna work with whatever we have. Now, this part is optional, guys, but I am going to take my got to be glued and just lay down my ear tabs because they just kept flapping up. And this is a glueless install. I don't care what you guys say. Even though I did use a little bit of adhesive by my ear tabs, there is no glue or no gel or no hairspray anywhere else on the hairline. Y'all, them ear tabs was just irritating me. So yeah, as you see, I'm going to lay down both of those and then continue cutting off the rest of the lace. Next, I'm going to take my L'Oreal True Match foundation powder and just press that all into the lace with my flat e.l.f. buffing brush. To get any excess makeup off your hair, I just use a little bit of alcohol, like so. Now I'm going to be going in with my Nairobi setting foam, and here I will be parting out my hair for my sections to lay down my baby hairs and to mold down my hairline. Once you have that done, you want to go ahead and wrap everything up with a headscarf or some type of headband and continue styling. finish the look, I'm going to go ahead and take my water bottle and just lightly detangle the hair. After that, I'm going to take some Cantu coconut cream and just put that throughout the hair just to keep everything moisturized, and that will complete the look. Once you're done styling your hair, I like to go in with my blow dryer and just hit it with over my headscarf just to make sure everything is laid down and flat. I don't want my baby hairs moving because I did use Nairobi setting foam instead of a gel. Once you have your part parted out, I'm going to take my Got To Be Glued free spray and my hot comb, and I'm just going to use this to make everything look slick and laid back. I love this method. I really don't have a name for it, but yeah. And I know you guys are probably going to say, like, are you supposed to put a hot comb on wet hair, blah blah blah. To each his own. I have no idea. This is a wig. It's not my own hair, so I really don't care. It lays it flat like I need it to, so I'm gonna keep doing it. All right, guys, this is what the end result is looking like after we have laid everything down.
And this is 100% glueless. I didn't use any adhesive. I'm going to take my rat tail comb right here and go right up under the lace. I don't know if you guys can see right here. It's completely glueless. It can be worn glueless. And you guys, this is again DorHair. Inside the box, it came with some wig caps that I ended up using, this white paper. Also comes with the net that the hair comes in, this little detangling brush, and it also comes with a DorHair brochure, which has all their information on how to take care of the hair, maintenance, and so on and so forth. Alright guys, the specs on this hair. This is DorHair. This is their heavy density human hair water wave lace front wig. This is a 360 frontal, so the lace does go all the way around. This is what it looks like on the website. Super cute. This is in 20 inches. So I'm going to show you guys what it looks like on me, stretched out. It does come to my rib cage. So it's not super long, and it's also not super short. back of the wig. The wig did take good to the bleach. I did pluck it and bleach it off camera, but it did come pre-plucked. And again, this is their 360 lace unit, so it does come with adjustable straps and a comb in the back. And then I sewn in the additional elastic band they provided with me, which came in the package. I did get some tangles, but nothing crazy. And for shedding, when I did originally brush the hair out after I had bleached the knots, I did get a little bit of shedding. It wasn't a bad amount, but it was more than I would like. And I'm going to show you guys, just give me 1 second. This is all the hair that came out after I had bleached the knots, and I did not pluck it or anything. I don't know if I had let the bleach sit for too long, but yeah. Y'all, I really like this install. I hope it's matching my color because on camera it's looking a little funky. But yeah, tell me what you guys think. Like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you guys later.